Hey everyone, if you're trying to access your Bank of America online banking account, you've come to the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you through the login process step by step, so you can get in securely and manage your finances without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Bank of America website. Just type in www.bankofamerica.com in the address bar to ensure you're on the legitimate site. Always double-check to avoid phishing scams. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to the login page. On the login page, you'll see fields for your online ID and password. Start by entering your online ID. That's the username you created when you set up your account. Make sure to type it accurately. Next, enter your password in the second field. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so use the exact combination of letters, numbers, and symbols you set up. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might receive a verification code via text message or an authenticator app. Enter that code when prompted to complete the login. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, you can view your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and more. It's that straightforward. If you ever forget your online ID or password, don't panic. There's a Forgot Online ID or Password link right on the login page. Click it, and follow the on-screen instructions to recover your access. For added security, always use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to go. Banking online is convenient, but staying safe is key. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.